afternoon, dear student. Welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about the parts of nervous system. Okay, parts of nervous system. So I will share a screen. Okay, I will share a screen. In that you have to tell me different parts of nervous system. Just wait. Everybody mute your audio at that time. I think now you can see a board, right? If you can see a board, just show one thumbs up. Okay. So here, it is written about the name of the chapter. Okay. What is the name of the chapter? It is the nervous system. Here we learned about. Here we learned about what is a nervous system. Next, different parts of nervous system that we want to learn it. Okay. For that, I will call some students. Okay. Okay. Naifa, please switch on the video. Able. Unmute your audio. Able. Okay. You can see a main part of the nervous system, brain. Am I right?
Yes,
Able.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that able or some other also is saying it? I want the answer from able. See, from here you can see a long pipe-like part from the brain at the center of the from the lower part of the brain you can see a long pipe-like part.
Ma'am, your sound is not clear, ma'am.
My sound is not clear. Am I audible to
No,
you?
ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. See, 1 minute.
Yes,
I will check. See, am I audible to you? Show this thumbs up. Am I audible to you? Show thumbs up. So now, who told that my voice is not clear? Tell me the name. Please.
Amna.
Amna, please check your audio, okay? Check your net connection. Everything is fine here. Okay. So now, able. Please tell me the name of this part of the nervous system.
Now is clear, ma'am.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Can you tell me the spelling?
SPINAL.
RD. Okay, spinal cord. Okay. So now, first one, it is the brain. Second one, the spinal cord. And next one, I will call Amal Krishna. Amal Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what is the name of this part? Here you can see, red colored, so much wire-like parts all over the body. Can you see wire-like parts?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am asking only to Amal. Amal only to say this. Amal. All others, mute your audio. Amal, tell me what is the name of that part which you can see all over your body? Amal.
No.
Nerves. Okay, can you tell me the spelling? Fast. N-E-R. Okay. N-E-R-V-E-S. Nerves. Okay. N-E-R-V-E-S. These are the spellings of nerves which we can see all over our body. Okay, these three are the main parts of a nervous system. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope everything is clear. Okay, so let me ask you, um, see, Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many parts are there for the nervous system? How many parts are?
Four.
How is it for? How many parts are there for nervous system? I am asking only to Rudra. You can think about it. All can think about it. Rudra, can you tell me which all are those parts?
Can you tell the question once more? Brain.
Okay. Okay. Parts
Brain.
of nervous system. Brain. Then,
Brain. Spinal nerves.
sorry. Brain. First it is brain. After that spinal.
Spinal cord.
Okay. Then
Nerves.
nerves. Is there any other part? Is there any other part? Did I taught any other part?
No.
No. So
Organs.
how
No,
see, I am
ma'am.
asking to Rudra. Please let Rudra to answer it. All others, please control and be patient. Okay. So how many parts are there, Rudra?
3.
3 parts. Okay. 3 parts are there for the nervous system. Next one, we can learn one by one about it. Rudra, please mute your audio. In the previous class also, we told about the brain. Brain is like a jelly-like substance. Mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio. Mute your audio. Okay. So brain is like a jelly-like substance. Soft. It is too soft. Okay. So this brain manages to control all the body parts. It manages the all body functions. It is only 1.5 kilogram. Brain weighs only 1.5 kg. And the important thing it is, brain is protected by a tough substance, the tough part that is called skull. That is called skull. Okay, brain is protected by skull. In the skeletal system, in the last class, you had learned about. In the skeletal system, in the last class, you learned about this skull. Part of skeletal system, skull, rib cage, backbone, this all you learned it. So, this skull protects the brain. Okay? Okay, next one. Next part, it is the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a bundle of nerves starting from the lower part of the brain. You can see it, it is starting from here, right? It is starting from the lower part of the brain. See, in your house, some electric wires will be there in one pipe, right?
Yes.
So many electric wires are passing through a pipe. In the same way, spinal cord is a bundle of nerves. Nerves are there all over here. Nerves are there. These nerves are branching out to different parts of our body. Here all nerves are there. Bundle of nerves. It's a group of nerves. Bundle or group of nerves.
Some sound.
Okay. So now is it okay? See,
Yes.
see, dear students, if you are unmuting it in between, if I am sharing some board, I have to stop it. Understood? So it will become the flow won't be there for the learning. So that is why all are advised to keep it in Nevin, mute your audio. If you want to tell anything, then only. Okay. Mute your audio. Please check everybody. See, here is bundles of nerves means group of nerves originating from the brain. It is like a pipe. In that, as from the trees, branches are coming out of it, right? In the same
Yes.
way, nerves are branching out from the spinal cord. Here it is the spinal cord. From that, nerves will branch out and it passes through the different parts of the body. From the spinal cord, it will branch out to different parts of the body. I will show how it is. See, here also you can see it, right?
Yes.
Nerves are red color nerves that these are branching out from the spinal cord.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this spinal cord is protected by a strong backbone. It is protected by the backbone. You learned it, right? In the skeletal system, you have learned our spinal cords are protected by backbone. Got it? So I hope you learned about you understood about the spinal cord also. Spinal cord means it is a bundle of nerves originating from the brain. You can see it from the, you can see it from the pictures also. It is originating from the brain. Bundles of nerves coming out of it, which are branching out. These nerves are branching out to different parts of our body. It is protected by backbone. Our spinal cords are protected by the backbone. Okay. So shall I move to second one? Okay. Next we want to learn about the nerves. Nerves are like wires. These are like wires all over the body. Who is talking here? Who is talking? Who is talking? Tell me, who is talking then? Don't do it, okay? See, Josine, switch on the video. Cheryl and Josine, switch on the video. And Leah. See, if you are talking to your parent, please mute it and do so that it won't distract the class. Cheryl, mute your audio and switch on the video. Amna, where are you? I want to see your face. Switch on the video. See, nerves are like wires. Can you see it on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are
Yes,
like wires. They are spread in our entire body. These nerves are spreading in our entire body, whole body, like a spider's web. Can you see like a spider's web here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, what is its function? They connect different body parts and organs to the spinal cord and to the brain. These nerves are connecting. These nerves are connecting to different body parts to the spinal cord and to the brain. Different body parts are connected to spinal cord and they are connected to brain. Understood? So,
Yes,
body
ma'am.
part are connected to spinal cord and to and to brain. Which is connecting this body parts to spinal cord and to brain. Which part is connecting in? That is the nerves. That is the nerves. Okay, these nerves are connecting. You can see it here. So many nerves are there. These nerves are connecting different body parts to spinal cord. Different body parts to spinal cord and again to brain. Okay, so which part of the nervous system connects the body organ to spinal cord and brain? Body parts to spinal cord and brain?
Nose.
Nerves. Okay, spinal cord. Spinal cord or brain. Okay. These nerves are connecting. Nerves are connecting. Okay. See, just like the electric switch and mixie or grinder or television, these wires in between, they are connecting the switch and the this one gadget, any computer or mixie or grinder, anything. Understood? If the wires are connecting, see, if the wires are, electrical wires are not connecting the switch and the any of the gadgets like mixie or grinder, how it will work? It won't work. In the same way, this nerves are acting like electric wires in between the different body parts and spinal cord and also to brain. Understood? And also to brain. Got it? Okay. Got it? Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Pala, no need to wear any mask to attend the class. Okay. Now, let me see the. So, this is the different parts of nervous system. Okay. Like, can we do the workbook exercises? Do have the
Yes,
workbook exercise? Okay, okay. Everybody, okay. Everybody take your workbooks. I think, let me ask you, Divyansh. Divyansh, please unmute it, Divyansh. Divyansh, please unmute. Just click on the audio button. Just click on the audio button. Please do it fast. Do it fast. At that time, all can take the workbook exercises. Okay. Nervous system.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, nervous system. I will ask, okay, Anupama,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
tell me the page number of the workbook exercise, nervous system.
Page number 9.
Okay, everybody take the page number 9. Those don't have the workbook, I will send that workbook exercises today. Okay, you can write down it. Now you just listen it. Okay, so take a pen or pencil is enough now. Okay, take a pencil and take the workbook exercise. Page number?
Ma'am, I take pen.
Okay, page number 19. 19. Am I right?
Ma'am, we can take it pen also.
Yes, page number. Which is the page number, please?
9.
Okay, page number 9. Page number 9. So,
Ma'am,
what you want, Amna? What you want? Tell me, Amna. Is that Amna or Parvati? Who is that? No response now. Okay. Now, I will call. Amna, do you have workbook with you? Amna? Amna, do you have the workbook with you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so read the first question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, read the first. All All others listen, read that in your mind. Okay. I am calling Amna to read and give the answer. Sachin, switch on the video. I don't want to see any messages. I want to see your face. Take the workbook and I want to see whether are you doing it or not. Amna, read the first question first.
Which of the following is long and thin like a pipe and start from lower part of the brain?
Okay, lower part of the brain. Which of the following is long and thin and starts from lower part of the brain? Please read the options, Samna.
Okay, ma'am. Option A, foot pipe. Option B, spinal cord. Option C, nervous system. Option D, backbone.
What is the answer of it?
Spinal cord.
Okay, B is the answer. Okay, spinal cord, B is the answer. So, tick mark it. Amna, mute your audio. Okay, next one, Jelin, Sachin, why you are keeping the textbook like this? Keep it. Okay, Jelin, please read the second question. Do you have the workbook? Jelin Shaiju. Jelin Shaiju. Jelin Shaiju.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the second question. All others, please listen it, okay?
Name the organ system which controls all the body functions.
Okay, say the option. No need to tell option A, option B and all. Say the
Nervous
option.
system,
Yeah.
digestive system, excretory system.
Okay, which is the answer?
Nervous system.
So option A. Option A. Okay. Tick mark the option A. Very good. Next one. Third question. Naifa. Naifa. Are you here, Naifa? Okay. Naifa, please read the third question first. Read the third question first. Sorry, I can't hear your voice. Okay, read it first. Now, read it first. The dash are, no, I think I will come back to you. Before that, I will ask to
Parvati can read.
Parvati, read it. Okay, Parvati, read it first. Unmute your audio first.
The dash are thread-like structures that form the part of the nervous system.
Okay, the dash are thread-like structures that form part of the nervous system. Can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer? Parvati.
Nerves.
Nerves, okay. So, I will write it on the board. Nerves, okay. Third question, N-E-R-V-E-S. Nerves. Okay. So, spelling is written on the board.
Nervous system.
Spelling is written on the
Ma'am,
board.
this is point 3.
Sorry. Which one? Who is talking now? Who is talking? Everybody, mute your audio. Naren, please switch on your video. Next one, fourth question. Helen, fourth question. Helen, okay, read the fourth question first.
The dash looks like a long tail of the brain.
Okay, the dash looks like a long tail of the brain. What is the answer, Helen? Spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord. So I will write the answer on the board. If you don't know the spelling, please write it. Fourth one answer is Spinal cord. See, while I am sharing the board, somebody is unmuting and talking to the
Spinal cord.
spinal cord. You can't understand the spelling?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the third one, we should write nervous system.
Is that system is asked? Is that a system is asked in that?
Ma'am,
It is not about the system. It is asked the part, name of the part. Okay. Don't confuse it. Next one, fifth question. Fifth question, Najma. Najma, take it and read fifth question fast.
Mama, I
Fifth
can't
question.
hear you properly.
Helen, please. Yes, Najma.
what protects the skull?
What protects the
Sorry, brain.
brain? What protects the brain? What is its answer?
Ma'am,
Skull.
Who is calling, ma'am? Who it is?
Angelia.
Andlia, what you want, Andlia? I can't hear you. Najma, please mute your audio. The fifth question's answer is skull. S-K-U-L-L. Write down S-K-U-L-L. Skull. Should I write it there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fifth
yes,
one.
ma'am.
S-K-U-L-L. If you have any doubt, you can check the board. Okay, that is over. So, sixth question. Sixth question, Devananda. Devananda. Devananda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read
Yes, ma'am.
sixth question. Sixth question.
What?
Yes. Sorry, I can't hear
What
you.
encloses
The spinal cord. Okay, okay. What encloses the spinal cord? Is it? Okay, what encloses the spinal cord? Means what is protecting the spinal cord? Can you give me the answer? What it is protecting the? What it is protecting the spinal cord? Romel, please unmute and tell me what it is protecting the spinal cord. What it is protecting?
Can you tell me?
1 minute. Okay. Please, Irene. 1 minute, Irene. Okay. Sorry. What it is protecting the spinal cord? Is not hearing. I can't hear it. Okay. Okay, Jelin Elizabeth, tell me the answer. Backbone. Okay, sixth one, it is backbone. B-A-C-K-B-O-N-E.
Ma'am, what?
Okay, say Romel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, I think, okay. Is it clear now, Romel?
Yes.
What encloses the spinal cord? What it is protecting the spinal cord? Spinal cord, backbone. Okay, the framework of bone. That is the backbone. Okay. So, Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Divyansh. Okay. Do
Yes,
you have your workbook, textbook, etc. with you?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
So, sorry. So, I will send the notes today. So, Jellin, mute your audio. So, I will send the notes today. Those don't have the verbo, they can write down this question and also the answer. Okay? So,
Okay, ma'am.
those have the textbook, read the textbook 3 times. Learn the new words also. Learn the spellings of the new words. Okay. Next day I will ask about. So now I will end up the session. We can see next class. You can now leave the session.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
All should leave it. Okay.